Raise your hand if you play a sport. Yeah, shame on you. What if I told you that playing a sport could have astronomical benefits on your social development, learning ability, and self-image? Now, in no way am I going to stand here and lecture you on weight loss or the toxic standards of working out to appease other people's opinion of you. Instead, I want to talk about the kindness, sensitivity, and community sports can teach us, and how we can find positive role models. When I was younger, I really struggled finding friends I could rely on and confide in for even things I thought were silly. But then I met my team, and suddenly there was a sense of grounding in my life. Really quickly, I learned how to talk to people. A small skill, but a massive impact, as you can see. I learned how to empathize with others and share my experiences, to listen and be less selfish. And this was all because I had the opportunity to learn and struggle side by side with other people my age. My sport specifically is competitive swimming. And to be open and plain with you, I have spent collective hours crying over this sport. Seriously, tally up the seconds, minutes, it's hours. And normally the next rational thought hearing this is, oh, what the actual heck is wrong with you? And we think that all the time as well. But setting aside the masochism, the reason we come back to the sport time and time again is because of the wonderful, wholesome community swimming provides us. Not just my squad, but my entire club is filled with kind, compassionate people that are undoubtedly supportive. And that is the swimming community. No one cares what you look like, what your abilities are, whether you're physically disabled or neurodivergent. And as someone who's gender non-conforming, that is so special to me. It's always going to be a struggle, and I know that. For the rest of my life, I'm going to have to deal with misconceptions about myself. But every manager, swimmer, and coach is respectful for me and allows me to feel safe and be able to express myself when I'm in the pool or when I'm running on the track. Overall, sports not only teaches us about other people, but about ourselves and where we fit in a community. This is not a question of age, this is not a question of ability, and it is not a question of who you are. Sports is our friend. And to those of you who did not have your hands up, what is stopping you?